To study the central nervous system of Scoludon. Central nervous system of Scoludon consists of brain and spinal cord. Brain is divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrains. And then spinal cord. It continued with the brain or medulla oblongata. Scoludon forebrain. It is a diagram of brain of Scoludon. Here it is a forebrain which consists of olfactory lobe, olfactory peduncle, and cerebrum. Then midbrain consists of large swelling like structure which is a cylindrical called the optic lobe, and then midbrain which consists of cerebellum and medulla oblongata. First forebrain which consists of olfactory lobe which is a bulb like paired structure called olfactory lobe or olfactory sacs, which are connected to the cerebrum by the olfactory peduncle. Then cerebrum. Cerebrum it is formed by two cerebral hemisphere and function is sense of smell. Then midbrain which consists of optic lobe, it is a large rounded swelling to the dorsal side of the midbrain and function is gustatory or acoustico-lateral sensory centers. Then hindbrain. Hindbrain which consists of cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum it is a large elongated and rhomboidal structure. It covers optic lobe by posteriorly and it covers the medulla oblongata. Then medulla oblongata it is a posterior part of the brain. It is a broad posteriorly and it tapers into the spinal cord. Spinal cord it is a extended from medulla oblongata and it is transmitted or it is present in the vertebra of the Scoludon. It tilts to the tail of the Scoludon. Spinal cord has its center which is narrow cavity central canal filled with the cerebrospinal fluid which shows gray matter and white matters. White matter contain neuroglia cells and nerve fibers, while gray matter contains neurons. Spinal cord it is a sensory and motor impulses which conduct the sensation from the organ and give to the signal to the brain. It all about the structure of brain. Functions of brain is olfactory lobes sense the smell. Cerebellum it seat of regulation of balance, the muscular controls. Optic lobe it is a show olfactory, gustatory or acoustico-lateral sensory functions. Medulla oblongata show the control of respiratory centers and control involuntary activities. Olfactory lobe control the visceral functions. All these are the study of Scoliodon. Some questions which gives the answer of students. Right functions of cerebrum. What is function of olfactory lobe? What is function of optic lobe? What is function of cerebellum in Scoliodon? What is function of medulla oblongata in Scoliodon? Which part of brain show the gustatory functions in Scoliodon? All these questions answer give me the PDF. Thank you.